Hey guys, today I have a video, but first, here are the featured comments from last week's video. Hello YouTube, today I'm going to review this Nikon Coolpix S3000 camera. So it's a pretty old camera, but it works just fine. The first thing I really liked about it was the blue color. It looks really nice on the camera. So on the front you have your flash, your 4x optical zoom lens, and the sticker right here. Moving on to the top, you have the picture button, and it also zooms with this knob. And your on-off button. So onto the back, you have your battery slot and your USB slot for connecting it to the computer and charging it. And then further right, you have the tripod holder. So on the back, you have this good 2.7-inch screen and all the buttons. So turn it on. Shows the Coolpix when you turn it on. And let's see. When you press the picture button right here, this first one, you go into all the different modes. You have auto mode, the scene selections, smart portrait, which takes the picture when the people smile, so subject tracking, and to take videos. Press it again and it exits the menu, and this button goes through all the photos you have taken. You just press the camera button to go back again. And then down here you have the main menu, which goes through all the settings and stuff. Auto zoom, language, video mode, menus, date. And you press menu to exit it. And starting with these buttons, you have the flash settings. You can either do auto or off or always on. To the left button here, you have the timer option. You can set it for 2 seconds or 10 seconds. To the right, you have exposure compensation. And to the bottom, you have macro mode. Here are some photos that demonstrate the quality of this camera. So when you take a picture, you hold it halfway, the red light comes on, orange, it tries to focus, and then take the picture.